a waffle in your hand? Are you being shy? Mama's gotta go get the rest of our stuff.
Welcome to service. My name's Melissa. What drink can we get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a tall medicine ball and a cheese Danish?
Tall medicine ball. We actually don't have the tea bags to make that for you today.
Let me just get a tall chai tea latte.
A tall Thai tea latte?
Yeah, and a cheese Danish.
On that cheese Danish, would you like it warmed up today?
Yes, please. Good morning, everyone. I am in the doctor's office parking lot, and I am just a little bit under the weather. You can probably tell by my voice. I think I got a cold. I haven't been running a fever or anything crazy like that, so I don't think it's the flu. I don't know what I would do if I actually had the flu. That would be terrible, but I think it's just a cold, so I can deal with it. But I am at my 35-week doctor's appointment, so today she's going to do the Group B strep test, and she's also going to check my cervix. I dropped off Cooper, and then I came and got some Starbucks before my appointment. And I asked them for the medicine ball, and they were like, oh, we don't have the tea bags to make it. It's the middle of flu season. Well, that's probably why they're out of tea bags, because everybody is asking for it. So I got a chai tea latte instead, but I was really looking forward to that medicine ball because actually it really helps to like open up my sinuses and stuff. It actually really helps a little bit. So I was really bummed about that, but anyways, I'm excited to see, like, I don't know why I'm excited to see what's going on down there. It's kind of weird to say, but I'm just excited because it's getting towards the end, and the appointments are a little bit more exciting than they were like a month ago. So today's video is actually going to be a vlog slash what I eat in a day video, and so I'm having a chai tea right now, and I also grabbed a cheese Danish because if I don't eat anything, I'm gonna be sick. It's already 10 o'clock, and if I don't eat something, I'm probably gonna puke. I plan on meeting my husband for lunch or brunch, I guess. So I didn't want to eat like too much. So this is kind of what I'm eating. It's not the healthiest, but it's real life, you guys. This is it's just real life. So I am doing this video in collaboration with Wonderfully Allie, and if you guys haven't seen her channel, it is so much fun. She is a flight attendant, and she's going to be doing her what I eat in a day also, but her channel is just so cool because it kind of gives you like a different perspective, like of her traveling and stuff like that. It's just really neat. So definitely check her out, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip real quick of her introducing herself right now.
Hey guys, my name is Allie, and I am so excited to be working with Brittany on today's video. I am a flight attendant. I'm also a mommy, a wife, and I am currently pregnant with our second baby. I'm 20 weeks pregnant, and in my channel you can find all videos about the flight attendant life, mommy life, and how I just balance everything all together. It is a crazy journey, so I hope that after you finish watching Brittany's video, you head on over to my channel, and if you like it, you decide to stay. And don't forget to subscribe if you like it. I would love to have you be a part of our family, and I would love to have you be a part of this journey as well. So again, thank you, Brittany, so much for working with me. I love Brittany's videos. She's one of my favorite YouTubers to watch with her Target hauls. She's responsible for a lot of my Target hauls. So again, thank you guys so much for giving me the chance to introduce myself, and I'll just let Brittany take over.
So I'm here waiting on my husband, but I wanted to show you guys, since this is a what I eat in a day video. I only drank half of my coffee, or like a fourth of it, or my tea, and I ate the cream cheese out of the middle like a child. So did I really eat much of that? Not really. So this is what the baby daddy is having. I don't know what it is.
This is a turkey, bacon, and avocado. So it's good.
And a Caesar salad?
Caesar salad.
Okay. I'm just having a cup of broccoli and cheddar soup. So I'm not really that hungry right now, but I'll probably eat it all. And that bread looks good too. Are you ready to have a baby?
Ready or not. No, I mean, obviously I'm excited, right? I'm excited. I'm always just nervous about the day, so, you know.
It went fine last time though. So
I know it did.
Hopefully it'll go the same.
Worried about you and worried about babies, so I just want to make sure baby's healthy, you're healthy, everybody's good. Life changes in an instant as soon as there's a new child, even though we've had several other kids, it's still life comes at you fast.
Yeah.
So.
Well, he'll be here soon.
Yes, ma'am.
So, I'm home and I had a great doctor's appointment, and then I had lunch with my husband, and I just had a broccoli and cheddar soup, and it came with like a little side of bread. I just don't really have much of an appetite towards this end of pregnancy. I don't know why. I just pretty much snack all day long, so I am doing this like what I eat in a day pregnancy edition. But let's just keep in mind that I don't eat a whole lot throughout the day, and then sometimes like at nighttime I'll be really hungry and then I'll eat a lot then. So we'll see how this video goes. But I wanted to give you guys an update on how my doctor's appointment went, and I have lost 1 pound since my last appointment 2 weeks ago. So I have gained a total of 19 pounds. And everything is measuring perfectly, and she asked me if I wanted to be induced. If I did, I don't know if we would schedule it or what, but I said no, I would rather go into labor on my own because I was induced with Carter and the experience was not great. So I said no, I want to go into labor on my own. You know, let's hope that that happens. If it doesn't, we'll discuss it later. Like, I don't want to think about being induced right now. So she did the Group B strep test, and she checked my cervix, and I am 1 centimeter dilated, and today I am 35 weeks and 1 day. So yeah, that's good because that means that my body is making progress, and that's about where I was with Cooper. I was 1 centimeter dilated this time as well, and then I went back again and I was about the same. Then I went back again. I was 3 centimeters. My water broke that night. So I'm kind of hoping that the same thing happens this time around. But with Carter, I never dilated on my own. So I'm just glad to know that it's like actually my body's doing what it needs to do to kind of make that progress, and makes me hope that I won't have to be induced or anything. So that's good to know. I know that you can be 1 centimeter dilated for up to past 40 weeks. I definitely know that, but just from my experience, it did not happen that way. So I'm hoping that I may only have 2 to 3 weeks left of this pregnancy. So I just thought I would give you guys an update. I'm home for a little bit. My boys are still at school. I'll be picking them up here in a little bit, and then we usually do like a like I take them for donuts after school. Not every day after school, but like at least once a week. They only go Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I like to take them either on a Tuesday or Thursday. So we didn't go Tuesday, so we might go today. And I actually am having a carpet cleaning company come out and clean my carpets because I am knee deep in nesting right now. So I'm gonna try and clean up and get the carpets clean because my husband and I are going on a baby moon this weekend, and I'm so excited. We're only going for like 1 night and 2 days, but it's just gonna be the 2 of us, and I'm really excited to just get away. So I thought, you know what, I want to get the house clean. That way when I'm gone, like, I just feel like my house is clean, my kids are taken care of, like I just want to enjoy my time. Anyways, I am going to probably start cleaning up around here a little bit and then go and pick up my boys. So right now I'm just waiting in the car to pick up my boys. Thankfully they have a drive-through, so I don't have to walk all the way up the hill to get him and back, like to get them every time, because I would just kill my pregnant butt. And I'm already having contractions today, so waiting for them to come out around the corner. There they are.
I don't know.
Can Cooper look at it?
No, you cannot look at it. You can look at that, but not this. So shiny.
Crystal?
I'm gonna wash it again. You can put it on your dresser.
Cooper is taking a bite out of every single donut. and then putting them down. Dude.
And I have
What do you
peanut
have?
butter cup and Reese's, and I have a donut.
Yes. You have ice cream and donuts. Lucky you. Thank you. Have you taken a bite out of every single one? Yep. Okay. All right. Round 2. Huh? Because those donut holes tasted like Play-Doh. They were disgusting.
And I'll show you my donut.
Show me what kind of donut you got, babe.
Yum, yum.
Ooh, it matches your shirt. That's cool.
Also, matches my buttons.
Yeah. So all mommy got here, it's a small chamomile tea. It's pretty good. I just added some sugar and honey, but the boys are watching Mickey Mouse. So since I had a pretty light lunch slash brunch, it's now 3:45 and I'm gonna have some orange slices. I just peeled a whole orange. And then I'm gonna have some of these wheat thins. I have to be wheat thins. They can't be like a generic brand. They just don't taste good. These are the best. So this box is almost gone, so I'll probably just pour some on here, see what's left. But I'm gonna have that as a snack until dinner time. Tonight I'm going to be making some like taco bowls, and we rarely eat ground beef around here. I'm going to go ahead and heat this up or cook it, and then I've got Fritos here for the salad, some limes to squeeze on top. I'm going to make some pinto beans. I would also usually use corn, but we don't have any, so that's okay. And sprinkle some cheese, some tomatoes, and lettuce. And Carter's waiting for me to cut him some tomatoes because he loves tomatoes, right? Yeah, okay. Let me go ahead and cut them for you. Since this is about done, I'm going to add some chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt to the turkey meat. And right now I'm going to go ahead and add the pinto beans to the turkey meat. Okay, so first I'm going to add the Fritos. Now I've added the meat, and now lettuce. I'm going to add a few tomatoes because I am very afraid of heartburn right now, so I'm going to use those sparingly. And then I like to squeeze lemon on top of, or not lemon, lime. A little bit of lime on top of mine for some flavor. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top. Okay, so here she is, all finished. And this looks so good to me. It looks delicious. And then I just have water. I've got a lime in there too, just somewhere in there, just for flavor. It helps me drink more water. So I pretty much drink my water out of this every day. My husband got me this for Christmas, and it has a lid somewhere like for coffee, but I like to use it for water because it keeps my water nice and cold. So water and taco salad is what I'm having for dinner tonight. So I am ending this video a day late, or a day and a half late, because I ended up getting sick the night that I started filming, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you why I have to end this video so oddly. I put my camera up on the tripod because I just don't feel like holding it for this long of a story. I wanted to say that after I finished making my dinner, I put the boys to sleep and everything. I laid on the couch and I started feeling really sick. I started to get a really bad pain in my ear, and the pressure was just like unbelievable. After I had my salad, I ended up having a green apple, And I usually have at least 1 green apple a day because it's like one of the only things that's not going to give me heartburn. It actually helps with the heartburn. So almost every night I will have a green apple. I'll slice it up and eat it. That's pretty much my what I eat in a day video. I'm sorry that it was probably really boring for you guys, but when you're this pregnant and you're sick, I don't have an appetite hardly at all, and if I do, everything just gives me heartburn. So I wanted to be honest with you guys. I wasn't going to be like, hey, for breakfast I ate a kale smoothie or anything, because I don't. I definitely could throw that in there and act like I do, but I don't. So this was completely honest, and take that for what it is. Anyways, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check out Wonderfully Allie's video. I will have her linked in the description box below. Go check hers out. It's probably a whole lot different from mine, and you'll probably really enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!
I can see the way to me.